US futures are pointing towards a strong start today, coming off the back of impressive numbers from Nvidia after the close, but also a ruling from a federal court in New York with the United States Court of International Trade, essentially saying that Trump has overstepped the mark when it comes to his tariffs. Now, the president is allowed to enact tariffs, but under the 1977 law of International Emergency Economic Powers Act, he's only really allowed to do so when faced with an unusual and extraordinary threat. And you would say having a trade deficit with the country probably isn't that. So the 10% sweeping tariff, that's potentially going to be paused. The 90-day reprieve and the reciprocal tariffs coming back into play, they're potentially off the table. And then the fentanyl tariffs, that could potentially be in question. Now, ultimately, this is a temporary pause, and Donald Trump's, of course, going to fight back against it. He will appeal. It could end up in the Supreme Court, but for the time being, it does undermine his efforts to get trade deals across the line because countries are probably just going to wait to see the resolution.